Now that you've learned so much about Venus, it'll be very simple to learn about Mercury. Mercury is named after the Roman god of trade and commerce. Mercury was also a messenger between the gods and the people. The rules for the planet Mercury are very similar to Venus. It just follows a different schedule. Like Venus, Mercury moves forward from the Sun until it reaches a maximum distance. In Mercury's case, the max distance is only 1.5 hours. So you can see that Mercury keeps much closer to the Sun than Venus does. Mercury then falls back until it is about 1.5 hours behind the Sun. Then it picks up speed and catches up. Now we're back where we started. This whole cycle only takes 4 months. Let's go through the movement again, this time in more detail. We'll start with Mercury in conjunction, which simply means that both Mercury and the Sun are in the noon position at the same time. It will take Mercury only about 3 weeks to move ahead 1.5 hours. Then Mercury will slow down and it will take 2.5 months to fall behind the Sun. Once it is 1.5 hours behind, Mercury will pick up speed and take 3 weeks to catch up. So it is 3 weeks to move ahead, about 6 weeks to fall back, and another 3 weeks to catch up again. The funny thing about Mercury is that it's kind of hard to spot. This is because it's so close to the Sun, so you don't have much time to see it. You have to wait until the Sun is set so it'll be visible, but not before it dips down below the horizon itself. One thing to keep in mind is that Mercury gets brighter as it falls back. So if you catch it just right, it can be one of the brightest objects in the sky. You just have to time it right. Like we said, Mercury follows the same rules as Venus, and because you understood Venus so well, now you understand Mercury too. So that's it for the inner planets. In the next video, we'll start looking at the outer planets. I'll see you there.